So this is the location that we are standing in, one of the top-notch prime location of Central Noida, situated in the Sector 50 of Noida. Apartment that include Meghdut, Momex towers and different vicinity of Sector 50-51. Backside exit would be connected with this. Here are the LGF shops that are present. This is 24 feet height that you will be getting on the ground floor. So this is going to be the SU. This is directly connected to the ground floor entrance. So this is the area that you will be getting on the ground floor. A lift that is attached with the ground floor, first and second floor, with a staircase entrance. So the area that you will be getting is ground floor, first floor and second floor. So from this till the end, 51 feet long and 28 feet wide. So in this SU, you will be getting two exits, one from the main side of the road, ground floor, another from the back side. So this is the back side. Backside exit would be connected with this. Here are the LGF shops that are present. So this area is basically for the passage that is given for the car trail. So your cars would be entering from the ground floor and the drop off is this way. So the car will be exiting this way, and here this beautiful entry is given for the clients to utilize the drop off, and then there the car will lead to the parking area. So this is the back side of the project with all the luxury apartment that include Meghdut, Momex towers and different vicinity of Sector 50-51. There it is, Manav Rachna International School next to it present. So here the builder has left plenty of space behind this so that car can be parked at the ground level area also. So at the basement LGF area, lower ground floor, there is ample height given for all the lower ground floor as well. So there will be exit from the ground floor, from the front side and from the back side. So if you see a look at the height, plenty of height is given. So different brands can be operated, like restaurant, jewelry shops could be opened, as this area includes a high vicinity area. So potential is there in this area, as this is the Central Noida with one of the most high paying client capacity in this area present, and the HNI is also of Noida. So these are the lookout of the ground floor shops. So that place that we were seeing was a SEO. These are the ground floor shops. So if you particularly want to take an individual ground floor shop, this is the size that you will be getting. So this is the entrance from the front side as well as from the back side of the project. So this in front is going to be the service lane, this that we are seeing in front. So it will give a direct proximity for the client as well to approach from the service lane, also from the back side of the project. So elevation of this project is very beautifully designed. Also, if we talk about the specification key details, many well-known brands have been signed over here. If you connect with us, we will discuss it out thoroughly. Jewelry shops and well-known famous restaurants have also signed up their agreements. 24 feet height that you will be getting on the ground floor. So you can utilize it on two basis. First is that you can utilize this whole space either for any shop that you will be operating. For jewelry shop, it is really amazing, but because you are getting a very lengthy area in length, this is 50 feet in length and wide, you as can see. Also you can utilize it for restaurant, because what people are doing 24 feet, they are dividing it 2 feet. You can utilize it in the fall ceiling area. So the rest 10 and 10 you can make a split by putting a mezzanine. So you can place sitting area for the above, as well as on the ground floor you can provide with sitting area. So on the above you can provide with dining, in the Below you can provide with takeaways. So good concept that we are getting to see here. So the position is expected between December to March 2025. Though the expected RERA date is ahead of it, but this is a very well-known profound builder. So the construction quality they are doing, they are much ahead of the time that is being proposed. This project was started almost 1 year back, and you can almost see how much the construction has been taken up to. So this is the location that we are standing in, one of the top-notch prime location of Central Noida, situated in the sector 50 of Noida. Also, there you can see the green shed that are being there. So Medanta is also there coming. The construction has reached up to 5, 7, 8 floors in Medanta. The speed is very fast. So this area is going to be a good return for your commercial investment, as well as if you want to operate your own restaurant, F&B, for any particular luxury brand that you operate. Because this is one of the prime area, we would say, for Central Noida, for operating any prime brand, prime and luxury brand that you have. So we are moving from one side to the another side, the ground floor. So you can connect us further if you have any query related to this luxury project, commercial project that is being offered in the Central Noida. So yeah, thank you.